For our Nike warehouse, it will be operated using a U-flow operation. In a U-flow operation, the inbound and outbound functions are located at the same end of the warehouse building. Using a U-flow function minimizes the internal travel and movement flow. This also enables a maximum use of space available, and it provides a safe working environment. The locations which are close to the receiving and shipping docks are meant for fast-moving items. As a form of storage method, we have chosen the selective pallet racking, or also known as the adjustable pallet racking. Considered the most well-known and most economical form of pallet racking, the selective pallet racking provides 100% selective storage, fully utilizing the space available in the warehouse. Selective pallet racking is also made to meet any kinds of pallet size or weight, and it can also be used in all types of lift trucks. The goods receiving area is a place where goods are being unloaded. Verification of the delivery order and RFID tags are also done upon unloading, after which items are being sorted out and placed onto pallets so that they can be placed onto their respective locations. After going through the inspection procedure, the goods are ready to be put away.
Our operation uses the batch picking method. It can cater multiple orders which are filled simultaneously. This method is rather inexpensive and relatively effective. Advantage of using this method is it can eliminate the wasted travel time and at the same time increases the productivity. As for our unitization, it consists of two main categories, basically the running and football apparels. It is further categorized into shirts, shorts, pants and shoes. As for delivery, first of all we need to provide the packing list and invoice which are shipped together with respective outlet. Warehouse worker match the physical goods and invoice upon receiving from picker. By using CAPS system, once workers scan the label on the pallet and update it into the system. This could save time on sorting out system and at the same time increases the delivery accuracy.
Now I want to talk about the cross-docking and material handling system that Nike use. Nike has set up an area for cross-docking which can immediately send out the product after receiving it to achieve the faster turnaround time and reduce costs and also the inventory levels. Because of Nike products are seasonal demand, with cross-docking, Nike can adapt quickly to changing the market condition and afford the flexibility to meet customer demand. Whereas the material handling system that Nike usually use are reach truck, forklift, and power pallet jack. When the truck reaches the warehouse, forklift is used to unload the pallets from receiving area. After goods have been sorted and placed onto pallets, reach trucks are used to store them onto the racks and is extremely useful, especially to stock goods at high areas.
When in the process of operation, the key element is accuracy. When the product through the transmission equipment to scan place, the operator will use handheld scanning device to scan the label. In order to improve the efficiency of verification, all products label placement, position, and height has strict rules. The warehouse system will automatically print label that clearly shows the product cost and the quantity of products. Warehouse system can estimate the goods volume, prompting the operator to choose what type of packing is desirable. We use the warehouse management system to manage inventory information and the balance of the entire supply chain. The most important function of WMS is guiding and standardizing the warehouse operation process. Our warehouse management system goal is optimize operational process and improve warehouse efficiency. Warehouse management system integrates with radio frequency identification device and database interface technology. Our warehouse management system will, through the network and the digital method, to improve the level of operating control and task scheduling.
Save
Safety is the top priority in a warehouse. Without the proper design and storage system, it will be what related injury and accident may cause. Policy and procedure allow employees to clearly understand their roles and responsibility for safety. Display signposts or do's and don'ts in warehouse for those who have satisfied for the forklift license allowed to handle the forklift in a warehouse. Smoking is prohibited around, and set the sample fire drill to the train on the operation, the extinguisher, and standard procedure in the event of actual fire outbreak. There are more challenges to go ensure the warehouse are fully automatic voice operation, guide picking, as it can increase the warehouse operation efficiency, access to the procedure effectively. Moreover, we can use the dual friction overhead conveyor to take the waste away and carry new carton on the line by using only single conveyor. Because of this carton assembly is centralized that can reduce the space used and cut the labor cost by using one channel to the transport the goods and carry out the waste. That system is very flexible and change can go up and down to accommodate the height-based storage. So it is very adaptable to facility needs. In case, the increasing use of the rail transportation and wide suggestion coastal area or those linked by the inland waterway and the rail, and it will be increase the numbers of and capacity inland and rail connected terminal we will be required. With the government look into their CO2 emission target by switching transportation mode, it will be increased to see whether HS2 will be free match needed capacity for the freight transport. Finally, there will be a requirement for the greater flexibility will be shorter lease terms.